Welcome back, guys. So in this video what we are going to do is we are going to create a customer list. So that is going to be our custom audience that we want to create using a customer list. Okay, so I'll click on next. First thing that we can do is we can click download file template and see a template that has been laid out, how the entire formatting of phone number, the names, the email IDs, and all those details including the address and everything has been done, and accordingly we can do the same for ourselves. Okay, now we can do that in CSV or TXT. If we have MailChimp, we can import directly from MailChimp. We should also see a few guidelines as to how we need to do the entire things. As you can see, gaps in data, we have to avoid irrelevant data points, like there are some customer codes or only internal customer codes, so irrelevant data we need to remove. There also should be, the data should be more than 100 people. So if you have a huge amount of data, that is actually a good thing. You can also see the examples of how the made identifiers work. So all of the options and template and placeholders have been provided over here. So the phone numbers, you can go through all of those. So even the plus allows. So if you do it +91, it still works. If you don't do it, still that works. But mostly it would be asked for you to add the entire code of the country code as well. Okay, so there are all different things that you can add. All of the identifiers are mentioned. It is always a good measure to go through the entire identifier list because it keeps on updating time to time. So you can see it says you have to include at least one main identifier. So all of the identifiers that are mentioned over here, if the main identifier is email address or the phone number, so that would be much better, because first name, last surname would be difficult to identify. What Facebook would try to do is it would cross check with more identifiers such as city, state, year of birth, gender, and age, all of those things. So it is always good for you to give as much as information as you have. However, don't give any random data. Just make sure you have access and you have the option to upload all of those which are factually correct. As you can see, we can add customer value based on lookalike. So these are the things that it is also recommended for you to add the customer values of all the customers who are basically paid customers for your business. We also have to see uh, the data processing option, so we can actually say, make sure that we have the country, state, and options. All of those are also included if possible within the entire zip file, sorry, the CSV or the text file. Okay, so these are all about it. As I said, the best way is to download a template file and then fill out all the details within the template itself after removing the sample data. So you have to click on next. All we need to do is upload the CSV or text file. Okay, there is nothing else that needs to be done. Once you have done that, it is as simple as working on WooCommerce, the same way I've showed in other videos. All you need to do is map it. Just select the entire column that belongs to first name, the last name, the email, the phone number, and show Facebook where you need to, where Facebook needs to search what and look for what. So if there is a column that is email, just tag that as email. That's it, what you need to do. And you need to upload and confirm that you have the legal rights to select or basically upload the content that you are claiming to upload. Once that is done, it will take some time and you will be able to see the audience marked as ready at this end. Okay, the availability will be marked as ready once you have uploaded all of those content. So this was all about it. In the next video, we'll see a few more options as to how we can create our audiences, and post that we can create an ad and start up with the entire creative development on Canva. Thank you for this video. I'll see you in the next one.